Hi, to become a successful professional drone pilot, it is essential that you monitor updates and changes in your local market. This can be very time-consuming and laborious. However, there is a system you can use to monitor local developments and grow your business locally, and that system is Google Alerts. If you're not familiar with Google Alerts, it's a system that allows you to automatically send updates to your email address based on specific keywords that you're targeting. As a professional drone pilot, the benefits to using Google Alerts include: number 1, monitor your local customers; number 2, monitor the opportunities in your local area; number 3, monitor drone coverage in your local media. In this example, a professional drone pilot operating in Texas can monitor specific keywords such as solar panel farm Texas, the company name Texas, or drone Texas Herald, or a brand that they're using. When Google find this information from different websites, they will automatically email you the link to your inbox, allowing you to keep up to date with developments that you're specifically interested in quickly and effectively. This means you no longer have to search for information, and it's automatically sent to you. To use Google Alerts, simply go to google.com alerts and type in the content or the keywords that you would like to monitor. For example, if it's a new solar panel farm in Texas, and Google identifies or finds this content through blogs or local news, they will automatically email you links to that content. So let's say, for example, a new solar panel farm has just been announced and your local newspapers have covered it. You can then receive emails directly to your email box. So you simply enter your email address and click Create Alert. Now, you do need a Google account to do this, but it's very simple to open one, completely free. You may also want to use a different email address which you just monitor on a regular basis 2 or 3 times a week. So you can use this unlimited times, unlimited different sectors. So identify the keywords and core information that you need to keep on top of and able to grow your professional drone business locally, and you can receive that into your email box completely free, completely automatic. It's a great way to find new customers, identify new opportunities in your local market, and make sure you can continue to grow your professional drone business. To learn more on how to become a professional drone pilot, please visit mydronecareer.com and also subscribe below. Thank you.